Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is comparing quantities. In this chapter we will discuss about the ratio, percentage, profit loss, discount, sale tax and compound interest. These are the topics we will discuss in this chapter. Let us start from ratio. What is ratio? Comparing of two quantities of same kind by division is called ratio. It means we have to compare of two quantities of same kind and it has no units. Ratio has no units and symbol is vertically double dot. Now how we find the ratio? Let us see from the example. Find the ratio of 5 hours to 40 minutes. Here we have to find the ratio of 5 hours with 40 minutes. Here one is in hours and other is in minutes. So we must convert both the quantities of the same kind. So we convert hours into minutes. So as we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, then 5 hours equal to 60 into 5, that is 300 minutes. Now the ratio becomes 5 hours equal to 300 minutes and divided by 40 minutes. After reducing into the lowest term, we will got it 15 by 2, that means 15 ratio 2. So this type we will solve the question of finding ratio. Understood? Always remember that when we have to find the ratio, they must be having of the same kind. Understood? The next topic is percentage. So what is percentage? Percentage means per 100. The result of any division in which divisor is 100 is a percentage, and for divisor of 100 it is a symbol like this. Let us understood by the example. Suppose it is given 75 by 100. Then we can convert into the percentage. How? 75, that is 75, and it is because it is the divisor 100, so we will take here the symbol percent. Understood? 75 is this one and it is the divisor 100, so we will take the symbol this percent, 75%. Understood? So this is the definition of the percentage. Now let us see examples how we convert the ratio into percentage. Suppose given convert 3:4 into percentage. Convert 3:4 into percentage. It is given the question. Convert 3:4 into percentage. So very simple it is. We will write here 3 by 4 and just multiplied by 100 by 100. No any problem. Now it becomes 4 25 times 25 by 25 into that is 75 by 100. As I told you, upper side 75 and this 100 becomes in percent, 75%. Understood? So this is the way to find the ratio into percentage. Understood? So in this way we will find the percentage. Got it? Thanks for watching. In the next topic we will discuss some application on percentage. Okay, thanks.